Hello everyone, this is lesson number 5, HSK 2, and let's start. So in this lesson we will learn some new words, pretty a lot of words. In the next lesson we will listen dialects. So first one for today is 手表, wristwatch. So this 手 is wrist and 表 is like watch, but 表 has a lot of meanings and watch is just one of them. This wristwatch is very expensive. 这块手表非常贵。So this 块 we have a measure word for watches or money, or just for money just we say 块 instead of yuan we can say 10块 ten money. 非常 very 这块手表 you also can say 这个手表这块手表非常贵。I bought a new wristwatch yesterday. 我昨天买了一块新手表。So 我昨天 yesterday 买了 bought 买 to buy 了买了一块新手表。这有意思一个新哦一块新 a new watch wristwatch 手表。wristwatch or just watch wrist。我昨天买了一块新手表。Your wristwatch is very beautiful. 你的手表很漂亮。你的手表 wristwatch 很漂亮 is very beautiful 很漂亮。The next one 报纸 newspaper because 报 is report and 纸 is like paper, so paper is report because 报 also has a report news called reporting. 报纸 Grandpa likes reading newspaper. 爷爷 Grandpa 爷爷喜欢看报纸 reading newspaper. 爷爷喜欢看报纸。This is today's newspaper. 这是今天的报纸。this is 今天的 so today's newspaper. 今天的报纸。Please don't read newspaper on the bed. On the bed, right? 请不要在床上看报纸。请 please 不要 don't need 不要 don't 不要别不要在床上 on the bed 这个床 bed and 上 on so 床上 on the bed 看报纸 read newspaper 请不要在床上看报纸。Next one 牛奶 milk. 牛 it's a cow and 奶 is milk. And you can see this woman, so milk connected with woman. Drinking milk is good for health. 喝牛奶对身体好。喝牛奶 so drinking milk 对身体 for body for health 好 good. 喝牛奶对身体好。So this 对 for something is good. 对身体不好 not good or something else. I drink a cup of milk every morning. 我每天早上 so every day in the morning 喝一杯牛奶 drink one cup 一杯牛奶 of milk 一杯牛奶。我每天早上喝一杯牛奶 one cup of milk 牛奶。So this 杯 you can say 杯 is like measure word, but you can just translate it as a cup 一杯牛奶。Do you want coffee or milk? 你要咖啡还是牛奶？ So this 还是 is all for questions. So when you ask you want this or this, you use 还是。你要 so you want 咖啡 coffee, 咖啡, so just for transliteration, 咖啡还是牛奶 or milk, 牛奶. Next one, 房间. 房 is from 房子 apartment or house, and 间 is like, you can say divided space, but just between in apartment between some places we have a room. Let's see. This room is very big. 这个房间很大。这个房间 this room 很大很大 is very big. 房间。I'm reading a book inside the room. 我在房间里看书。我在 I'm at 房间里 inside of this room 房间里看书 read a book 看书。所以我在房间里看书。You can also say without without 里 but usually used because it's inside the room, right? 房间里。My home has 2 rooms. 我家有2个房间。我家 my home, my family, but here is a home. 有2个 2, that's 2. 有2个房间。我家有2个房间。Next one, 丈夫 husband, 丈夫。Her husband is a doctor. 她的丈夫是医生。她的丈夫 is husband, 丈夫是医生 doctor, is a doctor. 她的丈夫是医生。As you can see, this 夫 is 0 tone. 丈夫。My husband likes playing football. 我丈夫喜欢踢足球。我丈夫 my husband 喜欢踢足球 play football 踢足球 so the 足 is for leg and 球 for ball 足球 and T is like for kick 我丈夫喜欢踢足球 she and her husband are traveling 她和丈夫 so she and her husband 和丈夫在旅游 traveling and 在 you can say as traveling or as here are traveling so this 在 is create continuous 在 at this moment 在旅游 and as you can see she and her husband but we don't have here her just husband but it's implied 她和丈夫在旅游 Next one, 红色 red color. This is 红 is red and 色 is color. And as you can see, on the right side it's 工 from 工作. So this pronunciation is a bit similar. 红工 I like the red color the most. 我最喜欢红色。我最喜欢最 the most like 最喜欢红色。This red car is mine. 这辆红色的车是我的。So this 辆 a measure word for vehicles. You can say 这个红色的车 or 这辆红色的车 red car 红色的车是我的 is mine. So this 我的 you cannot say 是我 right is me but mine 是我的 because you can say 是我的吃 right but it's already here so you don't need to repeat 这辆红色的车是我的 Do you have red clothes? 你有红色的衣服吗？你有 you have 红色 red 衣服 clothes so 你有红色的衣服吗？衣服 and 吗 for question 衣服 Next one 后边 back or behind 后边 so this 后 is behind something 边 is like side so also 后 has a meaning after something but depend on time or the place, it's different. 后边 Who is that person behind you? 你后边的那个人是谁？ So, 哪个人 that person? Which person? And this describe 后边的，你后边的。So you behind. So in English we say behind you, but here's an 你后边的 your back. You behind you. 你后边的那个人是谁？是谁？是 who？是谁？And be careful, it's 那个 not 哪个。It's first on that person. 那个人。The school is behind the hospital. 学校在医院后边。后边，对，学校 school 在医院，at the hospital back you can say, but in English behind the hospital, so it's a bit different. 在医院后边，as there said 你后边的，医院后边的。So we first need to say the place and then behind the hospital. 学校在医院后边，and the zero tone 后边。Please sit in the back. 请坐在后边。请 please 坐 sit 在 at 后边back. So here's just back. 请坐在后边。Next one 左边左边。So this 左 is left, 边 side. 左边。The store is on the left side. 商店在左边。As you can see, sometimes it could be 边 or just zero 边. I think it's should be zero tone. Right. 左边方. So as you can see, 边 by itself has a first tone, but together they change to zero. 左边. But sometimes 在左边 also could be first, so could be different. 流孔. Let's see. The store is on the left side. 商店在左边。商店 is a store because 商 to make business and some trade, and 店 is like store. Dealer provide commercial center. 商店在左边 on the left side. So this 边 translates sometimes as a side. So as your left side, back, behind, back side. So could be 左边, could be 左面, is also the same meaning. 左面 could be like this one. So 面 边 sometimes interchangeable. 商店在左边. The person on the left is my older brother. 左边的人是我的哥哥。左边的人 so the person on the left. 左边的人是我的哥哥 is my brother. 是我的哥哥。So 哥哥 is older brother. Look to the left. 你看左边。So看 to look to watch, but if you say 你看 just look. You suggest 你看左边。你看左边。Next one 中间 between in the middle. So this 间 we just saw in the 房间 room, but 中 is the middle, 间 also some divide, so you can say between, middle, among us, among. I'm sitting in the middle. 我坐在中间。 我坐 I sit 在中间 in the middle。我坐在中间。The teacher is amongst between the students。老师 teacher 在学生中间。So again, you can say between the students, but in Chinese you say at students between. So 在学生中间。So first we need to say 学生。老师在学生中间 between 中间。What is in the middle？ 中间是什么东西？什么什么 what and 东西 single object. Maybe you ask what is object? Maybe obstacle or something. 中间是什么东西？中间 so you can say 在中间 or just without 在 is also possible. Next one, 右边 right side. As you can see, here's 边 has a first one, but there is 0. The cup is on the right side. 杯子在右边。杯子 the cup 在右边 on the right side。杯子在右边。右边。Please walk on the right. 请在右边走。走 to walk on the right side 在右边。请在右边走。右边走。The room on the right side. The room on the right is mine. 右边的房间是我的，这是房间 room and which room 右边的。So in English it's on the right, but in Chinese it's you can say right room, right side room, something like that. 右边的房间是我的，是我的。Next one 旁边 beside or nearby 旁边。So this 旁 is very often used when we say just nearby left side don't important just near 旁边 so this is much often because it's easy to say. He is sitting beside me. 他坐 sitting 在我旁边 at my beside. So in English also beside me at my nearby, but in Chinese we need to say 我 first who and then 旁边 where. 他坐在我旁边 and as you can see inside on the bottom side character 方 so pronunciation is a bit similar. There is a store next to the school. 学校旁边有一个商店。学校旁边 so school besides or next to the school. 学校旁边有 has or there is 有一个商店 the store. So in this order is completely different from English, so be careful. 学校旁边有一个商店。Who is standing beside you? 谁站在你旁边？谁 who 站 to stand 在你旁边 at your beside at your nearby so beside you 在你旁边。谁站在你旁边？ Next one 前边 front or ahead. So behold so 后边 is 前 front ahead or 前 could be before something in terms of time. So before I came, before something. There are many people in front. 前边有很多人。Again, as you can see, we first say 前边, but in English it's in the front, in the end. 前边有很多人 has or there are a lot of people. 有很多人。The bus station is ahead. 公共汽车站在前边。So 公共 public 汽车 car or transport or bus together. 站 is like station, so bus station. 公共汽车站在前边 at front. 在前边。So again is ahead. Here is also the same, right? 在前边 in the end. Look ahead. 看前边就是看 ahead. 看前边 Also could be 前面 is also possible. Next one 千 this one 千 second. This one first 10,000. And this character is also very similar with gun, but as you can see, this first one is 撇, but this one 横竖 撇横竖. So character is a bit different. This phone is 3,000 yuan. 这个手机3000块. So colloquial unit of money for yuan 块. 这个手机 this phone 手 hand and 机 mechanism 手机3000块这个手机3000块 3,000 yuan 人民币 There are more than 1,000 students here. 这里有1000多个学生。这里 there are here 这里有1000多 so 1000 1,000 and 多 more so more than 1,000 学生 students. 这里有1000多个学生 students. 不是 here right so 这里 here. The right is like 有。I ran 1,000 meters. 我跑了，那个跑 to run, but le is ran. 我跑了1000米 1,000 meters. 1000米。我跑了1000米。Next one, song. To deliver, to give. So sometimes it could mean to give something, so has a lot of meanings. But everything connected with give something. I gave him a book. 我送给他一本书。So this 送给 usually used for gift. 免费 free gift. 我送给他 So this 给 is to give or to you can say just to give to someone or just together 送给我送给他一本书 is one book the one measure word for books 一本书 Who gave this to you 这是谁 So this is who 谁送给你的 gave it to you 送给 give something usually free 这是谁送给你的 I'm going to the station to see my friend off. So this song is to send someone off, some friends, like send some friends when they're leaving. 我去车站 I go to train station 车站送朋友 to see my friend 送朋友我去车站送朋友 Next one 以下 for a moment 以下 Please wait a moment. Just 以下 has a lot of meanings, but just show very short action. 请等一下，等 wait 等，请等一下 wait for a moment, wait a moment. Or you say 等一等等一会儿等一下。Let me take a look. 让我看一下。So 这个让 to let something. 让我 let me 看 to look 一下 just a short so just take a look just short quick action 看一下 take a look, glance, take a peek. 让我看一下，看一下。Can I ask a question? Or like briefly, just quickly. 我可以问一下吗？ Or sometimes just 一下 could be a bit politeness. Just like 我可以 can or may 我可以问一下吗 ？And more for questions. 问一下 ask a question. But in English we say ask a question, but in Chinese as you can say 我可以问 just ask. There's no question. 我可以问一下吗 This implies it's a question. Next one, 真 really. The weather is really good today. 今天天气真好，真好 really good，真好。今天天气 to today's weather, right? 今天天气真好 really good. You are really good, nice. 你真好 You are really good. 你真好 really good. This dish is really delicious. 这个菜真好吃。这个菜 this dish 这个菜真好吃，really good，真好吃。这个菜真好吃。这个菜 so for food or for dish, but here's I think it's a dish。真好吃。Next one，粉色，粉色 pink color. So as you can see on the right side, it's a fun for pronunciation. My daughter likes pink. 我女儿喜欢粉色。我女儿 my daughter 喜欢 likes. And as you can see in Chinese, we cannot say just 粉 we need to say 粉色 but in English we can say pink, but we need to say pink color in Chinese 粉色我女儿喜欢粉色 This pink clothing is very beautiful. 这件粉色的衣服很漂亮。件 so measure words for clothes and pink clothes 粉色的。这件粉色的衣服很漂亮 is very beautiful 很漂亮。Do you have a pink one? 你有粉色的吗？你有 you have 粉色pink and 吗 for question. 你有粉色的吗？粉色 and this for 粉色的 something something. So it's one, right? We imply something here. And the last one, 颜色。颜色 is just a color because 色 it's also color, but 色 by itself has a lot of meanings. But together, 颜色 just color. What color do you like? 你喜欢什么颜色？你喜欢 you like 什么 What 颜色 color? 你喜欢什么颜色 This color looks very good. 这个颜色很好看，很好看 very good looking. Good looking nice 好看。这个颜色很好看，很好看。And last one, I don't like this color. 我不喜欢 I don't like 我不喜欢这个颜色 this color 这个颜色我不喜欢这个颜色 So let's repeat what we learned today. First one, 手表 wristwatch 手表抱着 newspaper 牛奶 milk 房间 room 房间丈夫 husband 丈夫红色 red color 红色后边 back or behind 左边 left side 中间 between or middle 右边 right side 旁边 beside nearby 前边 front or ahead, 间 thousand, 送 to deliver to give or 送给什么什么，一下 for a moment or one time just showed short action. 真 really 真粉色 pink color and 颜色 color. So that's all for today. In the next lesson we will practice our listening skills and see you.